Yes, here we are. And it's Dwayne's segment. It's not really mine. Ladies, swimwear shopping is somewhere close to the top of your summer to-do list. But what are some things you need to consider when shopping for swimsuits? Owner of Naji Swimwear, Norjal Owita, joins us with a few tips and pieces of her own. Good morning, my dear.
Good morning.
I have to talk to you like designer,
Right?
Yeah. Welcome to the Weekend
Thank
Smile.
you so much for having me.
Yeah, Lord have mercy. I'll just wait. No, I'll let you do your part when it comes. How did you jump into this fantastic world of swimwear?
It really just came about. My whole family line is about crocheting, sewing. Mommy was a seamstress, so that's where it all started.
And you fell in love with that and just
Right
decided
away.
to create pieces.
Yes.
So you hand crochet all of
All
these
of
pieces?
them singly. It all starts with a chain.
Wow.
Yes.
How long does it take you to make a piece?
A full swimsuit takes me 2.5 days. A two-piece will take me a day.
Wow.
Yes.
And you just sit down and
Yes,
go.
with some music and I'm good.
Wow, fantastic. Okay.
Why crocheted swimsuits?
Because it comes with a difference, and this is what I wanted to bring to the market. And my material is different. That's just my point of difference. People want diversity. People want difference, and that's what's in now. It's trendy, and so I went for that.
Okay. What about our body type do we need to consider when we're looking for a swimsuit? A lot of the times you'll see a swimsuit on a mannequin and you'll be like, ooh, that's gorgeous. You put it on and you're like, ugh. So tell me, what do I need to consider? What does a young lady going out looking for a swimsuit need to consider when she's looking for a piece?
All right, firstly, not just look at how it looks on the mannequin, you need to try it for yourself. Because if something says it's a small, trust me, it can be a medium and vice versa. So you want to ensure that you try your swimsuit before you leave the store. Yes.
But the unique thing I think about crocheted swimsuits is that they're made for the person.
Yes,
Customized.
custom made.
Yeah. How much of a difference does that make in terms of your selling point as opposed to going into a store and getting us a regular?
So this is a win-win for me. So when I meet with my customers, I do measurements, and so it's just a win-win. So in terms of, you don't just go into a store, but I get your direct measurement, and so it comes out very well.
Perfect.
Yes.
Right. Okay, well, this is Dwayne's section.
So some direct
we have some
measurements.
models who are here with us this morning to show us
It's
some
not
of
just
your
my
pieces.
section, you know. It's not just my section. It's Marvin's section. It's Soji's section.
All right, well, let's bring out our first model and then you can tell us a little bit about the piece.
Sure.
There she comes. All right, so walk us through a little bit of this. Is this
All right,
a classic
so
bikini?
our first model, yes, a two-piece. Ladies love a nice classic bikini, two-piece. And what makes it different is the material. I use cotton mercerized yarn, and it just holds to the body. Water doesn't trouble it any at all.
Okay, so it won't go slipping and sliding.
No, this is not one of them.
Okay.
So you don't actually go in the water with this stuff.
Of course you can,
do.
you
Why would
can.
you have this and not go in
You
the
can.
water?
And that's the advantage that Naji Swimwear has because of the cotton. So it doesn't sag, right, it's not wool.
So that happens a lot with other
It does.
crocheted swimsuits?
So I did my research and I realized that wool, you do not use wool for crochet swimsuits because it gets bulky and then it sags and it might
salt
fall
water.
off. Right.
So what causes it as well.
Exactly.
Fantastic. You know a lot about
Yes.
that, right? Dwayne?
So you just match it with your a nice
cover up and you're good to go.
Right.
All right, let's see our next model.
So how long have you been doing this?
2 years, a little over 2 years.
All right, talk to us about this.
Next model is wearing neon green with just a little frill cover up. Very trendy for those who prefer.
So that comes with the swimsuit. If
It
I come
does.
to it, it just is a part of the swimsuit.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
If you want it longer, you can just let me know.
Okay. And this one is straight and to the point. It's just that, so I can get it in any color I'd like. I can
You
say,
can.
hey, I want neon pink and white. And
Definitely, definitely. You just tell me what color you want. If it's not here in my store, I'll just bring it in, and yeah.
fantastic.
We thought it was green.
Yeah, it is green.
Yeah,
Isn't
but
it?
I know, but neon. And
Yeah.
You
I
men.
think this is my favorite.
That's your
swimsuit.
favorite
Yeah,
one?
just because of the layout and how
Right.
it's structured and
Okay.
how
You need to stop. Can we have our next model, please? All right, talk to us about this one. This one's a little different.
Very different. So she's wearing a hipster short set with a tasseled top there. Very trendy.
I like.
Yes. You could throw on a two-piece, or you could wear your hipster shorts. It's very trendy and it's different.
How long does it take you to make this one, the tassel piece?
The tassel piece took me maybe 2 hours. The shorts took me a full day.
The shorts are really
Yes.
nice. It's like a cheeky, but it's very
Right.
cute. You know, I
Thank
like
you.
that.
Is that
That's very
cheeky?
good.
Yes.
Cheeky.
Cheeky. Oh.
Yes, you know, you have different styles.
Very
of undies and
trendy.
bottoms. We call that one a cheeky.
Yeah, I'm
And you
learning
can
more.
definitely mismatch the colors.
Right, that would be nice.
Yes.
Okay, do we have any more models?
Just one more
One
model.
more model.
Yes.
Let's take a look at that one.
So when people want to get to you and they want to get one of your pieces,
You can order through Instagram. My Instagram handle is Naji_swimwear, or you can just call me at 291-0830.
and this is
Of
for
course,
August.
this is our last piece that we
Yes.
see we can wear
Beautiful,
anywhere.
for sure. It's flexible.
This one is for August.
It is.
Emancipation.
And of course,
Right
you can still
around.
wear it as a swimsuit if you'd like,
You
right? You can just
can.
mix it with a bottom. That's
Definitely.
a swim bottom, and then that's fine.
Definitely.
You're ready for emancipation, you
It's a long
said?
time.
Emancipendence
Yeah.
weekend. This is your
I'm not
go-to.
ready.
And of course, you have so many other pieces,
I do.
and you custom make, so we can come in with a special request.
sure.
What is the price range like?
All right, my two pieces range from 5,000 upwards based on small, medium, large.
Ah,
Right.
fantastic. Let's welcome all our models on stage now to join our last, and so we can take a look at all of these amazing pieces.
Beautiful.
And of course,
How much time do you need if someone
that's
needs a
good
piece?
question.
Okay, so if somebody just needs a regular two-piece, they just need to tell me a day before. You can get it next day. If you need a full swimsuit now, I need 4 days in advance.
Okay, wow, fantastic. And of course, that one with the extra cover piece and the cheeky and so that's still considered a two-piece.
Yes.
Okay.
Well,
Sure.
yes, I'm sure.
Okay,
Yes,
all right. Thank you so much for the tips. I'm sure
welcome.
that we can choose things to fit our bodies now, right?
sure.
So the biggest tip is just try it on.
Just
Make
try
sure you
it
try it
on.
on before you take it.
Just try it on.
All right. Exton, you have to say bye-bye now. Come.
Yeah. Thank you for the tips, Roger. I'm sure our Smile Jammers will find it useful. Models, thank you as well.
Guys,
kinda
we're going to
hot.
go for a break. Thank you, owner of Naji Swimwear, for
I like your
stopping
pouch.
by.
Yeah.
It's actually the
Oh,
packaging.
that's how you get it.
Packaging,
Oh,
yeah.
awesome.
So this is the
That's
packaging.
cool. So somewhere nice to keep it so you don't have a drawer full of swimsuits.
Yeah.
More to come when we return on Weekend Smile.